We have seen in previous courses that a well-thought-through clinical trial master plan is essential. So if you followed the rules previously explained, you will have already an idea about the geographic priorities. In determining which country you want to conduct your clinical investigation, you may want to check first the regulatory requirements. Some countries have more complex notification procedures than others, or some countries have no legal requirements or nearly any legal requirements at all. To the extent you may not be able to comply with the minimum GCP requirements to guarantee regulatory acceptance of your data. So be careful, as you may hit a large target population, but you may not be able to use your data for worldwide regulatory clearance. Another criteria may be the market size, especially if you want to consider US versus European or other markets. Further parameters important to take the decision on where to conduct your clinical investigation depend on where the opinion leaders are, if you've chosen to involve these in your clinical investigation. Also, be careful to investigate the feasibility of your investigation. Medical practices may be different from one geographic area to another. Now, your budget may dictate some decisions too. Are you willing to diversify to many countries? Then foresee an adequate travel budget as well as translation budget, as many documents may need to be translated in the local language. Wherever you decide to conduct your investigation, make sure to take into account two important resource points in addition to the financial resources. Make sure you have the team ready or planned when you decide to go to a certain geographic area. Take into account the need for local language skills and know-how of the national requirements. This will certainly help getting investigators on board. Now, how many sites? Obviously not too many, but not too little either. So how to decide this?